if you have those classic British Avenger TV series daydreams, like, okay, I do, and you want to be sustainable, Swindon Powertrain now has an electric conversion kit for those super cool classic minis. And I mean,
like that?
Probably those
Classic.
Austin Power. You've seen it in Austin Powers, and it's just like a little square, rounded off thing. It's adorable. It's perfect. It is the quintessential tiny ass car. It is the classic British Mini, and you too can pick up a kit that has a battery pack, motor controller, DC converter, onboard charger. Well, no, actually, those are individually. And it'll only cost you $28,670.
Oh, jeez.
Oh,
1 second. Let me finish laughing.
Wow.
Yeah,
Plus
that
labor.
Plus labor.
Yeah.
But you're gonna have the cutest, coolest kit car possible, and I don't know. I mean, yes, this is not an economy model. This is definitely a hobbyist thing. So if you just happen to be a millionaire who likes to tool around in the garage with that little classic Mini that you picked up somewhere, and while you were bicycling through Ipswich, you finally can get that thing electric and sustainable. And good luck with that. I like it. It's actually more expensive because I think I missed at least one thing on this. Might be $11,535. So anywhere between about $29,000 to about $40-something thousand.
Jeez.
You too
This just gets better and better.
Better.
a 1960s classic Mini that makes you feel like the swinging superstar spy that you are in your heart, man. It's impractical, but I love it. What do you want from me? I mean, it's a Mini, and I've been a Mini Cooper fan for a long time, and I love classic cars. So I just need the millions. Once again, I've declared myself president, and you can send your taxes to me.
Or I got an alternative idea. You can just go out and buy yourself a 3-year-old Bolt EV, get quadruple the mileage, and then just take the extra $20,000 you're saving and burn it.
and you get crash test safety.
It's so much less sexy. You can't
That
wear
is
a
true.
unitard in a Bolt EV. This is
Leave it to the
lacks
Canadians
all
to
the
make
sex appeal.
sense.
That's what's wrong with
Don't
Canada.
burn it. That's
I-
emissions. Come on, you want to be zero emission.
Okay, Patrick, we can flush yours.
Just donate it to the
We'll
Hungry
compost.
Children Foundation.
See
Compost
Mark out in the driveway with a lighter and a toonie.
Need a
does anyone
blowtorch to melt it. Yeah.
I realize this is
Not a
I don't know.
flamethrower.
a huge guess.
Well,
Was
to
anybody
me,
have a guess?
it's just a super cool hobbyist thing. This is so impractical. Fully, no kidding aside, it's so damned impractical. But I can understand having it because I do have a passion for those little classic cars, man.
Hey, most good hobbies truly are impractical. That's what makes them a good hobby.
What is that, Marks?
So that's a toonie.
That's a tuning?
Get a toonie.
He's going to light it on fire for us now.
Yeah.
Right, yeah.
Go ahead and burn it, you Canadian commie.
You're talking about your paper money that melts, but yeah,
Win
that would also
lottery,
melt.
and I too can do this.
Does anybody have any idea, like a wild guess, what a 24 kilowatt hour battery pack weighs?
Twice that.
So 700 pounds?
600
5,
pounds.
6, 700 pounds. Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm just trying to figure out like 160 horsepower in the classic Mini body. Like, would that be a real goer? Would it be fun, or is it?
You would double the
Russell,
weight of the
if
car.
If you're a millionaire, you just roll it onto your yacht when you're visiting England and
You just roll it up.
yacht over to
Oh my
wherever
God.
you live in America.
There you go. There's your use case. This would be the perfect tow behind car if you have one of those big ass RV things.
Oh my God, no.
Can it still be towed behind once they convert it?
No.
I don't know, but
Basically,
your
everybody
Yeah,
regen
who
because
would be
because it
awesome.
charges
Regen
2
would be
kc.
everybody who buys this kit is probably should be also put on a list as having way too much fucking money.
But if you do want to do a conversion, there are cheaper and better ways to do it than a kit
Oh.
that's that expensive.
Yeah.
Right.
I
Yeah.
mean,
Although
if
it
you're
does
even,
take all the guesswork out.
if you're
Look,
even looking into this, you could buy so much cocaine for the same price. You know.
You're not listening
No,
to
Tesla
Johnny,
tequila,
and none
come
of us
on.
know-
Tesla Kila,
Yeah,
yeah.
Tesla
We
Kilo.
don't know what
From
damn
the
thing
eBay
we're
markets.
Right.
It is cool that they're doing it. I'd love to see more of these in other cars that, to see more conversions for that, more people kind of getting into that spirit that the movement used to have, which was do it yourself and kind of like, because there weren't off the shelf things to buy. There weren't a lot of ready-made EV you could buy. So yeah, I mean, if you didn't have, it was a Ranger, right, Patrick?
Mine was a Chevy S10.
An S10, I'm sorry. The mini truck. There weren't a lot of options, so it's cool to see this. I think so. Yeah, that was a minute and a half for me to say cool. Somebody cut my mic.